Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Shariel, and if you're new here, thank you for clicking. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. So today will be a thrift flip. I'll be showing you guys how I made this durag. It's python print, really cute. And I made it from a pair of leggings that I bought from Goodwill for only $5. So let's get into the video. So what I did is I went to Goodwill, not looking for anything in particular. I found these leggings for $5 and I was like, I'm gonna get it. I needed a durag that nobody else has. I don't like when people have the same stuff as me. So that's why I was like, I'm gonna make a durag out of this. These are what the leggings look like. They actually had a hole in them, and that's probably why the person gave them away, which is another point of why you shouldn't buy cheap clothes from these boutiques, even these big brands on Instagram, because the clothes don't last, they fall apart. You should think about clothing as an investment rather than a purchase. You want to buy clothing that's going to last you for years, not last you for a month or two. But anyway, these are how the leggings looked on me. I'm giving you a 360 view. And the next step, what I had to do was take these leggings apart. So I have a seam ripper, and seam rippers basically take your clothes apart stitch by stitch. And I took these leggings apart, was the first step, and then I got this new durag, and all I did was take the durag apart. And I use that as my template or a pattern. I use it as a pattern to cut out my durag from the leggings. And I cut it out, two pieces separately, so I made sure that the prints matched. So I'm down in my sewing room now, and the first thing I did was stitch down the middle of the durag. Then I took it to my serger. Sergers reinforce something to make it stronger, so that it doesn't fall apart. So I serged the middle of the durag, and then I ended up serging all the edges of the durag. After I did all of that, the durag was ready to go, and this is the final result. It's on my head. I could turn around. Yeah, this is the cape. You can really see the print right there. If you got this far in my video, thank you so much. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content from me, because I am consistent, subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to know right when I post, hit that bell notification button and share this with your friends. Thank you so much once again. You are appreciated.